This park has taken so long to get open in any capacity and to get one of their two major coasters complete. The first one, Palindrome, was announced in 2021 for 2022. They hadn't even started on that one yet. And they announced Circuit Breaker. Oddly enough, Circuit Breaker opens before Palindrome. Test runs underway. I'm not really sure where I'm supposed to park exactly. Okay, so you go past Circuit Breaker, a pretty decent amount, and you park right in front of this. I'm here at CotaLand for the ACE event. Peppermint Parkway. Circuit Breaker has been testing non-stop for the last half hour since I drove up. They're sure blasting out the copyrighted music really loud. They start growing, stop growing, yeah, that's fine. So yes, I got my GoPro working again for the time being. We'll see how long that lasts. Now I've gotten a back row ride and a front row ride. I think the airtime is better in back, but those views are incredible in front. The tilt is just a gimmick, but it's a really good gimmick. If you ride in the front, you get lowered into the tilt. If you ride in the back, you get raised up. And being raised up, that was really cool in the back. The first three inversions give you really good floater airtime or hang time. That Immelman stall, that is the way to do an Immelman. As you invert in the Immelman, it just holds you there. So you get great hang time. And then there's 3 twisted airtime moments in a row. The third one is the strongest. That's like a maverick turn along with airtime. Almost like Intimidator 305. Oh, sorry, Pantherian. Monster. The first 2 airtime hills are mild ejector, then that third one is pretty strong ejector along with laterals. And then the final inversion is like upside down ejector airtime. If you're gonna do filming here, you're gonna have to shout over the copyrighted music that's blaring very, very loud all over the park. It was so cool in the front row watching it connect. That first inversion gives really good floater airtime through it. And this is the Immelman stall. That was the third inversion. First airtime hill, second airtime hill. All three airtime hills are twisted. And this is the strongest. And really great upside down ejector airtime. Not the strongest airtime in the world, but it's really good. It is glossy smooth. I relate this a lot to Big Bear Mountain in that it's just so much fun. It may not be the most forceful ride in the world, but with how smooth it is, you can just ride this over and over again. I'm not sure exactly where I'll rank it. It'll probably be in my top 100. I thought it had an outside chance of being top 50. It's not going to quite reach that. I do think I got to put it ahead of the B&M dive coasters, so that would land it very securely in my top 100. It doesn't quite have the intensity, though, to make my top 50, I would say. I thought I had a chance of liking this more than Cannibal at Lagoon, but Cannibal's got the intensity over this. But this has the better forces, so it's tough to say. Because Cannibal's forces, like its airtime or hang time, is maybe not the most enjoyable. This is just enjoyable. Every element is so enjoyable, so much fun. All right, after 5 laps on Circuit Breaker, gotta take a walk around and see what else the park has to offer. Yeah, on the sign there, see, pretty much everything is this way, except for Circuit Breaker. All right, on the other side of the park, found a credit. Gotta get the wacky worm. They say Ice Queen.
Yeah, well, it's Elsa.
So, yeah, it's Anna and Elsa, but not really.
Right, yeah, exactly.
Can't say that.
Right. So this was my 73rd new coaster credit of the year, and my 200th different roller coaster ridden of the year. So that means there are 127 coasters that I've ridden this year that I've ridden in previous years. It's not a long ride, and Siren's Curse is probably better, but this thing is incredible. And they've had drone shows going on over there all evening. Maybe this is what I saw all the cars lined up for a little bit ago. It was a long line of cars that were heading to the back. So I ended up getting 15 rides on Circuit Breaker. I could have easily done more. But after working my overnight shift and then driving all the way here, there was only so much I could really handle on a day like this. I've already been up for about 24 hours at this point. Didn't want to push it too far. This was such a great event. Got to give a big shout out, a big thanks to CotaLand here at Circuit of the Americas for doing this event for us ACE members. Of course, they're open to the public today as well, but for what they did for us ACE members today, that was really awesome. And you know what? Even if you're not into rides, just for the Peppermint Parkway aspect of it, the decorations, the meet and greet characters, they got a lot here for the family to enjoy. And if you're not into rides at all you have to pay is admission. And check the prices. I think admission today was either $8 or $10.